Live Love Spa has partnered with Spafinder to help you get even more out of your Spafinder gift card by shopping thousands of top spa and wellness products online. Shopping with your Spafinder gift card on livelovespa.com is easy. First, let's see what type of Spafinder gift card you have. Spafinder gift cards are primarily multi-use cards, but some single-use cards are still in circulation, and Live Love Spa accepts both. If your card is a multi-use card with a 16-digit number, a CVV2, and an expiration date, you can shop and treat this card like a normal credit card at checkout. Note that we do not have the ability to split your payment between two payment methods at checkout, which means your order total with shipping included must be below your card's value to have a successful checkout. To spend more than your Spafinder gift card's value, we recommend converting it into a Live Love Spa gift card for full purchase flexibility. When you convert it to a Live Love Spa gift card, you can purchase past your card's value and pay the remainder with another card of your choice. Multi-use card holders can convert their cards all on their own and receive their converted gift card immediately via email. If you have a single-use Spafinder gift card, it is required to convert it to a Live Love Spa gift card to purchase products online at livelovespa.com. This conversion is a manual process and can take up to 24 hours to complete your request. Converting your card is easy. If you know the value of your Spafinder gift card and are ready to convert it for online shopping, visit livelovespa.com/Spafinder. For multi-use cards, you simply need to use your Spafinder gift card to purchase a Live Love Spa gift card of the same value. You can add it to your cart and check out. When checking out, use your name, address, and your Spafinder card details just like a normal credit card. Your Live Love Spa gift card will be emailed to you as soon as you complete checkout, and you can shop with your new digital Live Love Spa gift card with full purchase flexibility immediately. For single-use card holders who wish to use their card for online shopping, you must request a manual conversion via the form provided, and this can take up to 24 hours for us to complete your request, though this usually happens much sooner. Please note that once you convert your Spafinder gift card to a Live Love Spa gift card, it will not be accepted for treatment services at Spafinder partner locations. It will only be accepted for online purchases at livelovespa.com. For more information, visit livelovespa.com/Spafinder.